Go on, take it, mate. Take it.
Camera shy.
It's camera shy. Take your fucking bread, mate.
Don't pat me.
See this thieving little bastard here? Can you see it next to the fucking window? I'm recording it, man. Taking this to the police. Thieving fucking burgling cunt. Wait. See it? See his fucking head just peeping about. He's trying to do a silent fucking approach. See that? See that? You thieving bastard. Where you thieving bastard? Yeah, that's what I thought. You thieving little fucker. Enjoy your bread, mate. Thief. He's lifting its bum up to me.